I'm gonna need you to push down on it.
Oh, we got it.
On that. Make sure to check out that POV and our park tour of our day here at Busch Gardens Tampa. All right, THRILLMAXX. We are here at Busch Gardens Tampa. We're going to take a ride on the Intamin multi-launch that is known as Cheetah Hunt. This is a great ride. If you've never been on it, we're going to launch 3 different times, and we're going to do that signature figure 8 that everybody sees at the front of the park. If you can see, the front of the trains look like cheetahs. This is an awesome ride, and we're going to go and jump through the Serengeti and have a really good time here. All right, THRILLMAXX, we're here at Busch Gardens Tampa. We're going to take a ride on the legendary Cheetah Hunt, the Intamin multi-launch coaster. Let's go for launch number 1. Airtime. Over the sky ride. Man, THRILLMAXX, what an awesome ride. You really do feel like a cheetah running and jumping through the Serengeti on that. What an amazing launch coaster. If you've never been here, get down to Busch Gardens Tampa. Make sure to get a ride on Cheetah Hunt. That's going to do it for now, but remember, always take your thrills to the max because this is THRILLMAXX.